Hey, what's up, everybody? Jeremy here. Want to do a quick video testimonial for a young son. I just want to say thank you so much, man. And I actually do apologize because I know this video is long overdue. I just been really busy and yeah, it's a lot of stuff. So my apologies. So, anyways, I just want to let you guys know that he is the real deal. So I'm just going to go ahead and dive right into this and show you the results I've been having so far with him. And if I recall, I've actually started back in December, I believe, mid-December of 2019. And to be honest, I didn't start really getting my sales until probably January, I would say. Yeah, probably like mid-January or a little bit later January. But I was a little bit slower at first because I wasn't too sure what to do. But anyways, I'll dive right into a second. So let me show you my screen of my Amazon sellers account. So let me go ahead and share my screen 1 second. I'm not used to doing the Zoom, so bear with me. Where we go? Google Chrome. There we go. Let me go right here. Hopefully you guys can see my screen. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a new window right now. My Amazon Seller Central. Let's go Amazon Seller. Okay. Here we go. Boom. So as of right now, as you can see right here, you can see the date. It's today is what, June 16th, 20, and then right now my time is almost 10:40 at night. So anyways, as you can see today right here, I've done over 1,200 in sales, 89 units, which is I'm pretty happy because this is actually my biggest day. I've actually been averaging almost like anywhere from $300 to $700 a day. So this is a big step for me. So yeah, 7 days, you can see I made over 3,700 in product sales. So 319 units being sold, and then you can see 15, a little over 6 grand, 630, and in 30 days, you can see a little over 11,000 or 11 and a half, I should say. So yeah, and when I first started this, I absolutely had no knowledge of how to do this whatsoever. And just like anything else, I did my research trying to find somebody that could teach me how to do this. And I came across Young Sun. And like what most people do, they usually hit up the people that are doing testimonials to see if that person is the real deal. And let me tell you guys, he really is. He really does care about you. And honestly, he teaches you down to T exactly what you need to know. And what I've also been doing as well is I try to help him out as much as possible. So if you do sign up with his course, I will help you out as much as well, because we're all here to help each other out, honestly. And I have no problem helping out because I do enjoy it. And it's awesome seeing when people get other great results. So again, I know it could be a little scary to dive into something new. And when you first start off, it can be a little overwhelming. And I get that. I promise you, I really do, because it was hard for me at first. It really was. And it gets discouraging at first. But once you do follow the details and you don't give up, and when you finally get that first product inside your Amazon sellers account and you see that first sell, I mean, it's super, super exciting. I remember when I first saw my first sell, I think I sold it for $6, and I think my profit was like $2. But I was like, oh, yeah, $6, or $2, whatever. I was just like, holy crap, this works. And I got it within probably like minutes after it finally went into my Amazon sellers account. So honestly, it's very exciting, and that was just, something small. But now look at me, I'm averaging almost $1,200 in one day. I'm like, holy shit. Sorry. Holy crap. Anyways, again, don't be afraid to do this. Honestly, he's the real deal. And so, anyways, again, if you guys do have any questions, please reach out to him or reach out to me if you want my even more something to talk about or something to know how his teaching methods are. So again, let's see if I got another sell just for the heck of it. Dang, nothing. So worth a shot. So again, I just want to give a shout out to Young Sun. He is the real deal. So good luck for everybody that starts this, because I guarantee you will not regret it, and it will make the biggest change in your life when you do. So yeah, hope to talk to many of you soon. I hope you guys have a good one. Bye.